Alright, what up 2X? So, um, I really didn't want to show the proper hood and shit, so we probably is gonna not show as much, but I'm pretty much just telling what I'm be trying to do. So, as y'all can see right now, I'm about to clean my engine bay. It's like the second time. I still see like pieces that I didn't get though, so I do have like some all-purpose cleaning and shit, degree. I got like different blocks and shit, so I'm about to vacuum the shit that I do see that I can't get, which I know is crazy though. Like if you look down and shit, you can see the cat how the exhaust and shit is pretty much like connected all to make the noise and shit. That shit crazy. But yeah, like I said, that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know what I got planned today. I'm all over the place right now. So I had some house things that I was doing. So like right now, I'm about to do this. I don't know what I want to do. We'll probably hit a few blocks. We might take some pictures and shit. I don't fucking know. We'll put something together. We'll figure it out, y'all. So stay tuned to X Game. And we'll catch y'all once we figure out how we about to do this. Alright? Clean cars. Ready to clean cars? At least I'm not cleaning no cars. We got the vacuum out the way up there next. I'm gonna start doing the cleaning in the engine bay. See how this goes. She don't let me do nothing. I don't know. We gonna see how it go. I'm gonna see how clean I can get this joint this time. Last time I did alright. So we about to see, right? High five. High five. No? Okay. I wanna be in the video. No, baby. Why you be doing this to yourself? Huh? Just gonna wipe this one off. This after the wash. Decided to take y'all with me today. I don't really got nothing to do though. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I do know this week though, I got some maintenance. I'm about to change some shit, fix some shit. I guess I vlogged that too, right?
Yeah, gotta get everything right.
So said, I'm just recording what I did today. I ain't really doing much. Like I said, my day was pretty much like my off day. I'm free at this point. Me just being free to do things around the house. Like I said, yeah, y'all seen I clean the engine bay, little small stuff. I'm low key hungry. This nigga need to hurry up. Come up with that. But pretty much what my day was like. I just take care of
Shit, look at that much you got, bro.
y'all can see niggas on that super slow and shit. I just had to get y'all to pull real quick. People looking at me crazy, y'all. But make sure y'all tune in, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all can give me video ideas if y'all want to. I do see some people that do use the comments. Some of y'all are just watching, so I can't really help y'all as much. I don't know what y'all really want to see, what y'all like, but make sure y'all tune into my Instagram, 2X Stock Boys. I post on there also. Am I missing anything else? Tune into my other YouTube, which is Life with Brother Game. That's more so if y'all want to watch the content the other side of me without talking about cars, without doing cars. I can tune in over there. Also, I had a documentary that I'm gonna be working on, that I'm gonna be dropping on that. So if y'all don't want to miss that, go check into that. But 2S Game, we checking out with another video. Game.